Wole Soyinka is from there. Nobel laureate, President Obasanjo still living from there. MKO is from there, and a host of others. So we have a very educated electorate.
And maybe that's the reason why some of the electorates are very critical about your education background. There's been a lot of issues about your certificates. Are you worried about that?
Well,
but did you finish from University of Ife?
I never claimed to have finished from University of Ife. I went to school, University of Ife, but I didn't graduate University of Ife. I do have a Bachelor of Business Administration degree in accounting. And I would like to stop at that.
Jesus. Your business administration degree, is it from Nigeria or from the United States?
This matter is in court.
No, because it will be good for a lot of the electors, yes. Millions of them who are watching right now who want to get clarity.
Yeah.
I mean, you owe that to the electorate, isn't it? I
do. And the electorate know that I went to school. They know that I went to school. They know that I went to school, and I have not misrepresented to anyone about my degrees.
What was your conversation? What did the president tell you on Friday? Is it confidential? It's taking you a lot of time.
No, I'm trying to be, because I
don't want to divulge what he told you.
I'm not sure that discussion between the president and I is meant to be discussed on channels, politics.
We don't know this now.